Hi, I'm Johnny Vitale.
And I'm Paul Vitale.
And we're from St. Petersburg, Florida, and we're the Vitale Brothers. We were selected to be a part of the Pangeaseed Mural, which is a fantastic activism, artivism.
Yeah.
And it's about oceanic conservationism, and basically we're using our art and our art style to promote that mission. We used to be the only guys, besides maybe one or two others, and then it's nice to see new generations coming along and doing their styles of art and everything. And what's unique about that is we've been influenced by a younger generation of artists, probably more than we've influenced them, I think, sometimes.
There's a lot of respect for what we've done. I mean, the community really supports us and what we're doing.
It's just great. It's great to live in an artistic community.